Model, 56-plate Volkswagen Transporter T28102 PS TDI PD short wheelbase, 1.9 starts drives needs head gasket. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 194,008. MOT, the 27th of August 2025. Engine, 1896 cc BRS 102 bhpe 4B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately the coolant is pressuring so will need the head gasket replacing, still starting and drives fine grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows, alloys, rear up and over tailgate. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.